how to make smooth transition in CapCut. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So first things first, let's put our two clips over here into our screen. Now, as you can see, sometimes when you're putting together two different clips together, the transition would be instantly, or like it's gonna snap like that. So if you want to have a smooth transition in CapCut, you can easily do it with our transition section over here in the top left section. We have a transition part or area, and over here you're just simply going to select any of these options that you prefer. So there are different styles over here. Some are flashy, some are smooth, depends on your preference. So let's go with a simple blur over here. So sometimes you have to download stuff in CapCut, as you can see. So I just downloaded that. So you're just simply going to add that into the between or where the two clips joins, as you can see. So now with this transition, we can play it and it will be smooth just like that. We can adjust the settings over here on the left side or the right side, like the duration, so on and so forth. So it's a bit faster. You could also make it a bit longer. As you can see, it's going to be a way smoother transition. So simply play around. There are different transition options over here. Typically, it's the same type of setting. So if you delete this, if you add this one, it's going to be the same setting wherein you can adjust the length, so on and so forth, as you can see. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.